Now, I love garlic bread, any type of garlic bread, and it's usually done with butter. But have you ever tried making it with extra virgin olive oil? It works a treat. So we're going to start it as a regular garlic bread, so 4 cloves of garlic into a mortar and pestle, along with a pinch of salt. And we just want to bruise and break down the garlic and keep mashing it until it's really sticky. And now I'll add some parsley, a few sprigs of parsley that I'll roughly cut, including the stalks, because there's so much flavour in the stalks, and then roughly chop it. And in it goes, and again, pounding that until we get a fine paste. And for a second herb, some dried oregano, a generous pinch of that. And to bring it all together, some Australian extra virgin olive oil. This one's rich and robust. I'm going to taste those lovely peppery notes. So we need about 80 mils of extra virgin olive oil. And we're ready to start adding this to our bread. I've just got a cob loaf here, and best way to do this to get as much flavour in as possible is to cut almost through to the end, but not all the way through, into big chunks just like this and make a crisscross pattern. So when you pull it apart, each little piece of bread is going to be soaked in that delicious extra virgin olive oil infused with garlic and parsley. So turn it around and then cut the other way. And I've got 2 pieces of foil and a piece of baking paper. We'll pop the cob on it, and this is where it gets a little messy, but it's a lot of fun to do. We'll grab a teaspoon, and we're going to fill each little slit with the olive oil. This then goes into the oven 180 degrees for at least 25 to 30 minutes. Garlic bread has come out of the oven. It smells pretty good. I'm going to take it off the tray, and you've got to open this at the table when everyone's sitting down so they can smell the delicious garlic, the oregano, the oil. You'll actually smell the oil. Oh, how good does that look? It's like a little porcupine. You just have to pull it apart. I'm going to take this centre bit. Oh, look at that. Lots of olive oil, parsley, oregano. That is so good. And the best thing about this is you can have a little more. Because it's not butter, it's a little healthier.